We actually went the wrong way up there. That's not how you get to the Tarn. So Mansoureh went to check on the other mountain.
The view is amazing. I didn't expect that. We are Mansoureh and Bruno, an Iranian and Italian couple making travel videos here on YouTube. Right now we are on a road trip in England with our friends Alessia and Toti. In the previous episode we drove from London towards the north. Today we are going to take one of the most beautiful walks in Lake District and will visit AngelTarn, one of the many popular sites in this national park. Good morning!
We are in Preston today and we're going to Lake District.
Today is going to be sunny and exciting. Let's go, guys! If you are wondering why we stay in Preston, I should remind you that finding accommodation within the Lake District during the summer and on bank holidays can be challenging. You should book months in advance or be prepared to pay a high price. We are starting our hike here in Cobridge car park. Actually, we tried to be early and to find a space, but the car park was full. Luckily, one car just left when we arrived and we found a spot, and now we are going up there.
We couldn't find a place to buy a paper map, but you have a picture of the trail that we want to follow. So we're gonna try to do that without a map. Let's see how well we do it.
I really like this path. Already we have a great view. I actually found a map of this route in the blog of one of my friends, Becky the Traveler. She's great and she's a hiker and she has a great guides about any kind of walks in the UK. This way. In front of us there was a fork and we couldn't really find a way. We had to ask, and luckily it's a bank holiday. It's kind of, you can find people here, and they told us we should go this way. Let's go. Actually we went to the other path, but everyone just got stuck, and at the end we decided to take the right one. Hopefully it's the right one. I don't know.
Hopefully the right one is the right one.
Yeah. On the way we reached some forks and we don't know if we took a right or wrong path, but whatever we took brought us here with the amazing view. Still we haven't reached where we wanted to be, but keep our finger crossed. I hope I can see it here. I don't know.
We actually went the wrong way up there. That's not how you get to the Tarn. So Mansoureh went to check on the other mountain and see if it's there, and yeah, it is. So we are going to the other place.
We arrived and the view is amazing. I didn't expect that, but it's so cool. Unfortunately, our friends didn't like this path and they took a easier path, but the view here worth all of the climb. Oh my god. Then we should go to our friends Alessia and Toti and eat. It's a great place to have lunch.
Lunch is ready.
Which one is mine?
I have no idea. I'm a big sandwiches today.
Let's eat, guys. Okay, we are full. I don't feel stuffed, but I feel comfortably full. But apparently, we just hiked 30% of the route. We have longer way to go back.
What did you do?
What happened?
It's just crashed.
You asleep?
Yeah, it was slippery and I just went like that.
Oh my god. Is your camera okay?
It's fine. Yeah, it's wet.
Yeah.
Although wild camping is not permitted in Lake District, AngelTarn is a famous spot for overnight camping. We are not used to this hot. It's just like it's the first time we are in Lake District and it's sunny and hot.
Not good?
It's okay. I am thirsty, you know. I will drink anything. It's good. It's water from the mountain. You want to try? The main path actually is muddy and slippery, and that's why we're going off the trail. We are almost at the end, and this one is a steep downhill path. We are almost on the road, but not yet. This is the longest downhill we've been. I was joking, I don't think it's the longest, but what do you think, Bruno? We are almost back where we started, and it was really nice and long, but the day was amazing, sunny, everything beautiful. I hope when you have a chance to come here to Lake District, you are welcomed by the weather too. It's time to go back to our Airbnb and rest, because tomorrow we have another plan. Stay tuned because it's going to be another amazing video. For now, I am going to say bye to you. Thanks for watching. Same as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you like, leave a comment. I usually read all the comments. See you in the next video.
You need the toilet?
No, I have done already.